Hey, if you wonder how we can charge your Realme C67, there's only one way to do this. Unfortunately, the wireless charger is not working, so when I'm gonna put my phone like this, you'll be not able to see anything on the battery indicator. But when I'm gonna plug on the USB-C port, the USB-C cable, that's actually the cable from my private phone, from the Pixel 7 Pro. So I'm gonna plug it right here, and you can see information that it is actually charging. So on this Realme C67, you don't have to use the brand new cable from the Realme. You can use any other cables and also any other charging bricks. So I'm charging this phone with my Pixel phone and the old Huawei Quick Charge charger. For sure, if you want to get the fastest charging, it will be the best to use the default accessories from your box, so the default cable and the default charging brick, because this phone comes with the cable and also with the charger. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.